NC Math 1 release items, number 50, last one. Hallelujah. Calculator active. The table below shows the hours X spent working on a new road and the distance Y of the finished road. And time is going to be in hours, distance is going to be in miles. What is the slope of the line that fits these data? And we have 4 answer choices. So you know what to do. Get that slope, pause it, try before you move on. All right, we're going to go over in 3, 2, 1. Now we can assume that this is probably going to be a perfect linear fit because it doesn't say what is the predicted, the estimated slope. It's got a linear model, time and distance. However, we also have Desmos, so we're going to go ahead and just key that in as an XY. So they already told us X is the hours and Y is the distance. So we'll go ahead and do a table. And then we can just create a regression line. We do Y1 squiggle mx1 plus b. M is your slope. So it gives you the slope of 0.3 and the y-intercept of 0. The slope of 0.3, 0.03, and the y-intercept of 0. So let's write that out. You can see the question here. If you care to graph those points, you can see those points out here if you zoom out a little bit, but that's a lot of zoom in here. You got our slope 0.03 and a y-intercept of 0. So y equals 0.03x plus 0. Slope. Well, which one is 0.03? Well, it's not 3, and it's not 3 divided by 25. 0.03, if you take 3 divided by 100, will give you 0.03. So that is going to be your answer. That's all there is to it. Now, stick around if you want to know how to do this without a calculator. It's actually not that hard. Slope is the distance between the y values, so y2 minus y1, divided by the distance between the x values. And because this doesn't have like data's all over, this is a straight line, you can literally pick any 2 points and work with it. So let's say I want to do the distance over time. So I'll just do the first 2 here. So I'm going to do 6 minus 1.5 divided by 200 minus 50. And that's going to be 6 minus 1.5. So 6 minus 1 is 5, so 4.5. And 200 minus 50 is 150. And we can reduce that if you want. Actually, a quick way to do this without a calculator, if you're curious, is to just move that decimal over. Now this is going to be 45 over 1500. And then we have to just figure out what we can divide by. So I would notice here I can divide everything by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is going to give me 9. And I can do 1500 divided by 5. And that's going to be, let's see, 15 divided by 5 is 3, so 300. Okay, now I'm getting somewhere. Well, these are both divisible by 3, so if I divide 9 by 3, I get 3. And if I divide 300 by 3, I get 100. And that's as fully reduced as I can get. So not that you had to do that, but I was just trying to challenge you with a little bit of mental math, and you get a slope of 3/100. And this concludes all the videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.